All right, so here I have what looks like a trinomial. And remember to factor, you always check for the GCF first. So, is there a GCF with 7, 14, and 7? Well, I'm clearly seeing that the GCF there is 7, right? Now, the next thing you check for, is that the GCF or is there more? Well, I'm going to look at the variables. I have x to the third, x squared, and x. What's the GCF there? Well, the GCF there, the most we could take out of there is an x. So I have a GCF of 7x. So 7x, we're going to take that out and we're going to figure out what's left over. So how do I get 7x to the third? Well, I have to multiply that by x squared. So x squared times x is 7x to the third. Plus, how do I get 14? Right? I need a 2, and then I need an x to get the x squared. Then how do I get a 7x? Don't forget about that 7x. Well, I just need to multiply by 1 to get that 7x. Okay? Now you might think you're done, but don't stop here in case there's more to be factored. So I'm just going to be looking at this term right here to see if I can factor it. So we have a product of 1 times 1, okay, which gives us 1. So I have a product of 1, and then I have a sum of 2. Now, this is just a regular trinomial with 1, so those are very easy to factor. So we don't need to do grouping or any of that, okay? So we need two numbers that will give us a product of 1 but add up to 2. So this is pretty easy. 1 times 1 is 1, and also negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Well, which one adds up to 2? Well, if we add it together, you'll see that 1 and 1 adds up to 2. So this is what we want. And here's our answer right here, 1 and 1. So I have x plus 1, x plus 1, and then don't forget to drop that 7x down. Now, if you're looking at the choices and you're not seeing the answer, that's because this binomial right here is exactly the same. So when it's exactly the same, we can just write it once and then put squared on it. And again, don't forget to bring down that 7x. So both of these ways are ways you're going to see the same expression. Okay, either one of them can be the answer. All right, and that's how you factor it.